May Reading 2024. It is May. May is the 5th month of the year. There are 31 days in May. The season is spring. Days are warmer, but nights are still cool. There is one special day in May. It is Mother's Day. Mother's Day is on May 12th. We say Happy Mother's Day. We give Mom a card and flowers. There is one holiday in May. It is Victoria Day. Victoria Day is on May 20th. After May is June.